Hello, my name is Jordan Krizik, and here's my EDL 851 intro video about me. So I am originally from Nebraska. I was actually born in Wichita, Kansas, but then we moved to Nebraska when I was 2 months old, and I've been there ever since. I went to school at the University of Nebraska-Kearney. I originally got my sports management degree, and then I actually went back and got my 7 through 12 PE teaching certificate. I am now teaching my first year at USG 399 at Natoma. I am currently a teacher. I'm a coach for a number of sports, and I'm also the athletic director for the school and junior high as well. Family, friends, and future. Um, Family, I am the youngest of three boys. We like to roughhouse pretty much. I have family that live in Colorado, so like going out there, going snowboarding. I have also a family in Kansas. Like to see them. I mean, I live with them right now. And I also have two sets of uncles that live in Florida. So every Thanksgiving we go out to see one of the sets of uncles, and then I have another one that lives in Orlando. Currently live in Stockton, Kansas. Friends, I got a good group of friends from college. A lot of them are teachers that I've connected with throughout my college time. So I do like to go back up to Nebraska and hang out with them. For the future, the overall goal is to be assistant principal / activities director. I did an internship when I was a senior in college at the local high school with the AD, and I loved it. So will it take me back to Nebraska or be in Kansas? I do not know, but I'm ready to find out. Some of my hobbies, like being active, working out. I'm training for a triathlon right now. It's just a sprint triathlon, but I've never done anything like that. So it'll be something new, but it'll be fun. Love going snowboarding or skiing. I usually try to go once a year, so that's always fun to do. Go out in Colorado, see the mountains and whatnot. Every summer, I mean, I grew up by the lake, so I usually go to lake quite often during the summer. Uh, Love watching NASCAR. Kind of a hillbilly, but I enjoy it. We went to Kansas City just this past fall, so that was a lot of fun. And also sporting events. I mean, I'm an athletic director anyway, so going to sporting events, I don't mind it, and I really do enjoy it watching the kids. So strategies for developing and collaborative professional culture designed to support. So improvement, teachers workshops, viewing similar school districts who are implementing the same curriculum, practicing effective communication skills with staff and students, team building activities, strategies for retention, hiring qualified individuals who have moral values whose moral values reflect the betterment of the students, creating professional relationships with staff and students. For learning, bringing in different styles of learning for all, encourage encourage facility faculty members to expand their professional learning, creating a positive learning experience in their classroom. Well-being, head of school districts lead by example, educating staff and students of smart, healthy choices, finding educational enriched activities to engage in. Um, in development of a healthy and effective professional culture, what roles are played by relationships, positive professional relationships with students allow for a better learning environment, create a positive school culture and climate, positive in-service relationship seminars, trust building in-service programs, having positive relationships with that will ensure a trust bond between individuals. Has to start at the top. If staff and students truly feel they can trust you, then they will. For well-being, positive relationships can greatly impact the well-being of staff and students. Bringing in trustworthy individuals will create a positive school culture and climate. This will counteract and keep the students holding each other accountable in and outside of the school. How does all of this support the educational success and well-being of each student and adult? Having staff that care for their personal workspace and future will correlate to the betterment of the students' learning. Staff members will not only encourage their superiors to be better, to be better educators, but they will encourage their students to build a positive future and well-being. And that was my video. Thank you for watching.